Managing appointments across different services, staff members, and resources gets easier with the appointment dashboard in Zoho Bookings. First up is the list view. Each workspace has its own list view where you can track past and upcoming appointments specific to that workspace. Use custom date filters to quickly find the appointments you need. You can take quick actions based on where an appointment stands, reschedule or cancel upcoming appointments, and update past appointments as completed or no-show to keep appointment records and notifications up to date. Customize the dashboard by choosing which fields appear so you can focus on the appointment details you check most often. Next, switch to the calendar view to manage appointments across all your workspaces. Choose between day, week, and month views depending on how much detail you need. The day view helps you manage daily availability across your staff members and resources. Striped slots show unavailable times, while open spaces let you quickly schedule new appointments. Use Manage Calendars to choose which staff members and resources, like rooms or equipment, appear in your calendar. Switch to the Week view to compare schedules across multiple days and plan around your team's availability. For a longer view, use the Month view to track a staff member's schedule and manage upcoming bookings. That's how you manage your appointments in Zoho Bookings. Scan this QR code to book a personalized demo tailored to your business. Or check the playlist link in the description to learn at your own pace.